When using the 3D Experience platform, you might need to contact your platform administrator, either to get a new role or get more access, or just ensure that your setup is correct. If you only have a few users, it can be fairly simple to figure out who your admin is. But if you're in a larger company, it can be difficult to find out who it is. However, with the collaborative business innovator role, there is a tool to find the platform administrator. You go to the available apps and find user groups. Here you have different user groups that you're allowed to see. And also you have an administrator group. This group is created automatically by the admin and updated regularly when the admin gets removed or gets added. Navigating around the 3D Experience platform apps is simpler than ever. Contact us for more information.